Let's talk about ProBuilt invoices. An invoice is a document that details monies owed to your company by one of your customers for products sold or services rendered. Invoices can be created using ProBuilt sale order and subscription billing features, and they can be created manually. To create a manual invoice, click on this plus sign, then click Invoice. When the form opens, select a customer. Select a ship to location. Select a receivables account. Enter the general ledger posting date. If your company operates from multiple locations, select the location that issued the invoice. Input the customer's reference number, if any. Then enter any memo you would like to add. The discount date, discount amount, and payment due date are all populated automatically based on payment terms that were entered into the customer's master record. Press Tab or Enter and your cursor will enter the details grid. Remember, while your cursor is inside the details grid, you can use the Enter key or arrow keys on your keyboard to move around inside the grid or press Tab to exit the grid. Input or select an item number. Once you've selected an item, the rate will fill in automatically. Enter a quantity and the form will calculate. Press Enter and your cursor will move to the next row and repeat the process. Once you have finished adding items to the invoice, tab to the Save button and press Enter to save the invoice and close the form. Or press Ctrl-Z to open the pull-down menu. Selecting Email Invoice will forward an email with an attached PDF of the invoice, along with one of the following. If a customer's default payment method is set to draft, then the email will notify the customer that the invoice has been paid. For all other emailed invoices, you can elect to include a link to your ProBuilt Payments portal. Selecting Print Invoice will display a printout of your invoice. Select Print History to view a report displaying complete transaction data and invoice history. Select Change Balance to open this screen. You can manually increase or decrease the invoice balance. The amount of the change will be charged to your company default Invoice Write-Offs account. Selecting Void Invoice will zero out the invoice. And if the invoice was created from a sale order, then that sale order will be reset to allow for rebilling. Lastly, from your keyboard, press Ctrl-I or click here to attach files, including spreadsheets, PDFs, or images to this order. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.